you doing, Justin?
Turning the industry on its head, that's what we're doing. We got upside down trees over here. At least it didn't start right side up and got pushed in the cut. Reached right through those two pines all the way over there to the edge of the wood line. Took the top 2/3 of that pine out whole. Crane loved it. Jumped in there 10 feet when he finished cutting it.
You call the shots, but that's all you got. I'm gonna call your bluff, cause something happens when you fan the flames. I'm like an animal inside a cage, but I'm gonna break out this chain. You're gonna wish you never held me down. I feel the rush through my veins. Yeah, this adrenaline is kicked in now. There's a killer inside of me. There's a killer inside of me. Don't turn your back, you might end up in a world of fear. You can be brave, there's nothing to save. Is it crystal clear? Cause something happens when you fan the flames. I'm like an animal inside a cage, but I'm gonna break out this chain. You're gonna wish you never held me down. I feel the rush through my veins. Yeah, this adrenaline is kicked in now. There's a killer inside of me. Killer, killer, killer. There's a killer inside of me. Killer, killer, killer. Sometimes I fight it, I cannot hide it. I know it ain't right, but sometimes I like it. I'm on a break.